First of all, I just want to take a moment and thank Jumbo and Delicious. One of the best burgers we've had in Tennessee. They are amazing, loving people. Thank you so much for sponsoring our ever first annual Burger Wars tour. We are going to the next spot. Okay guys, we have just arrived at spot number 3, Shaggy's. We are open. Let me show you how cool this place looks. Look at that.
You guys need to hurry, they close in 15 minutes.
They do?
Yes, they do.
Go order some a burger in front. Why'd they close at 15? This is 10:30.
It's Thursday.
Oh. Okay. Go order something.
I don't know what we're getting.
I'll be just order fries, shake, and a burger. That's it. Whatever. Just go get a burger. We have 15 minutes. But look at this. This is all glass, and everybody can see us. It's like eating in a fishbowl. Cool. Let's go on in. Okay. Well, they got dogs here too, and tacos. They got burgers, fries, tacos. Yeah. Get the. Try the cheesy fries. What's the mixed fries? It's probably a blend. Oh my gosh, breakfast chongas. They got everything going on here. Okay, egg beaters are available for all you health conscious people. Anyway, we only have a few minutes to get what we want, but they have like there's the menu if you want to look at it. Hold on a minute. There's
What shake do you want?
just pause the video, go and see it. Just get a. All right, the good news is they got shakes here, so we're gonna do shakes. And then we can rate the shake for the first time on this trip. Spot number 3 has a shake. They get points for that. They've got famous people that went to jail. Anybody know who this guy is? Albuquerque, New Mexico. Who is that guy? I don't know. Oh, I know who this guy is. That's Frank Sinatra. Frankie, he went to jail. Yep. And then we all know who that guy is. Who went to jail. Right there, Jackson, Mississippi. We all know him. And then this guy right here. We all know this guy who also went to jail. Oh, you even held his name up. Cool. As you can see, it's real hip in here. It's like very futuristic burger joint. We got John Lennon over there on the picture. They got sports TV stuff. So you can watch all the games. Great place, great place. And they have a big patio over there, which they're closing in a little bit, so we're not going to be able to really show you much around here. So we're going to sit down and review this as fast as possible. Okay, there it is. Bacon on the fries, cheesy fries. Not bad. Burger looks good. Can you lift that up for me real quick? The burger. See if you check out the meat.
There we go, tomatoes.
Get a good shot of the meat. Okay. That is a generic basic burger.
Yep, absolutely.
That's it. All right. Yeah, it's just a burger.
Just a burger.
Just a burger, baby.
Burger, baby. That's
Gotta have
it.
some ketchup or something on it.
Oh, really?
That's it, yeah.
We'll get you the ketchup. Okay, you got that?
They're like shoelace fries.
Yep. Do you not like shoelace fries?
No, they're fine, but they're smothered in
Yeah,
cheese.
just grab that. That's good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Cheesy fries. Her mouth's watering right now. Look at that. She can taste that cheese. You like the fries? Did you try the fries yet?
Not yet.
Oh. Because you're all, I thought you tried it.
No.
All right.
I was watching
We got
TAMMY.
here just the last few minutes.
Now that's bacon. That's bacon on
So you
top.
got bacon on your fries, right? Bacon, bacon. So she's having burger, bacon, the whole thing.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right?
Will you ever leave the side doors unlocked?
Yes. Cool.
Oh my god. My
Okay.
kind of fries.
Fries are good.
All right. So we try. Oh, she hasn't taken the bite yet. No, I'm not rushing you. Take your time, please. Okay. So ketchup is being used. That's a sign.
It's first place.
That's a sign. Okay, go ahead. Can you tie that stem in a knot?
I
with your
cannot
mouth?
do that.
You know you thought of it though. That'd be great for the video. If you put the stem of the cherry in your mouth and make a knot.
I'd be famous quickly.
You'd be famous. Oh yeah, you'd be passed out on many dates.
Absolutely.
All right, here we go. Well, you're making a mess. I love it.
All right.
Go ahead.
What are you laughing at? All right.
For the French fries.
Yeah. Cheese and bacon.
Don't forget bacon.
It's on there.
All right.
Good.
Hey, you guys want to sip your shake? Have you tried it already? You guys just eat the cherries and that's it, right?
No, I get
Oh.
my own.
Shoney cherry.
Try that. I kind of think this place might be famous for their shakes, the way they promote them. Let me get the last bite of burger. There's the last bite of burger right there.
You can do it.
That's some cheesy fries.
Get some bacon with that bite.
Hey, just my try the shake.
First shake of the day. Outside the
Did
plate.
anybody get anything out of it? Hold on.
Lift up your straw.
Take the wrapper off.
That's not even funny.
It's kind of funny.
All right, talk to me.
I'm full. I just had a good shake.
You had a good shake?
Yeah, shake was good. Burger was kind of thin, but I think I'm just over it for the day.
Because we've hit 3 burger places, right?
Fries had a lot of bacon and cheese on them,
Right.
but yeah, yeah, it was.
Would you recommend anybody come here? Yeah, oh, never mind. Nope, we're good. Why don't we go to...
No, wait.
Oh,
I
you-
like the way it looks inside. It's pretty cool.
It's
inside.
pretty hip. If
yeah.
you're just here to meet friends,
Yeah.
it's a cool
Absolutely.
place.
Get a shake and some
Oh.
fries.
For sure.
Yeah, shake was out of this world.
Definitely. Okay, so Shaggy's, I'm a fan. I really am. I think if I was living here, I'd come over here and grab a burger, no problem. The fries were great. The burger was just a basic burger, guys. It was just a cheeseburger. You saw it. I didn't think it was too bad, but I don't think it was much over $6 either, so it's really inexpensive. The shakes were great, but if you're gonna come over here and just hang out with friends, I think this would be a great place to come. There's actually people continually pulling in, and the place is closed, so I mean it's obviously doing well. But I would definitely recommend this place for sure. There's
So-
a lot of different things on that menu in there. They had like a taco burger in there. There was a quesadilla. It's a full menu
Yeah.
of different things, but we just, we were doing burgers, so yeah, I think it'd be a cool place to experiment. So
Cool.
yeah, for sure.
Hey,
Hi, well, so what's up?
nothing. It was pretty good. It's like a normal. I think it's a more burger like a place to hang out for young kids. Burger was okay, a little dry, so put stuff on it. The flavor was okay, but it was really just dry. Shake. I don't know if the shake was good because it's our first one, but it was good.
You didn't know if it was good.
I mean, it was good. I said I don't know if it's a good shake because
So
it's like
far,
our
it was the
first-
best.
So far, it's the best, but it's just a basic shake, French fries, amazing, just because they were smothered in cheese, and I just love cheese. So
And bacon, right?
yeah, bacon. So, but yeah. So overall, it's a good place to come and hang out.
Cool, so you recommend it?
I'd recommend it for younger people. It's not really like an older people type thing.
All right. It looks great. The ambience is great. This is Burger Wars, dude. Your burger wasn't as good as the McDonald's one I had earlier today. I had a better burger at McDonald's than this place. Everybody's being nice here. The burger sucked. I would not recommend anybody but get a burger here. Now, after that being said, shakes are amazing. Fries smothered in cheese and bacon is delicious. You've got to get as much as you can on your burger to help make it a better burger because it's not a good burger. Would I recommend it? Would I come back? I'm not telling you not come here, but I'm not coming back here. There's so many better burgers, including McDonald's, that it's better than what we just had.